Some customers ask me what the test button is on the front. Basically, the test button is so you can check your doors and windows to see if they're functioning, and it will chime when you open and close things. So let's say you wanted to test it. If we did 1, 2, 3, 4, which is our master code, and number 5, you're going to get dial or walk. We don't want a dial test because we're not checking that. We're not checking in this case the dial tone. If you had a dial-up system, which most systems are not dial-out anymore, most of them are GSM or Internet protocol, you don't need to push number 1. So what we're going to do is I'm going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, test, and I'm going to push 0 for walk. Now, if you don't have a 6160 or an alpha display keypad, it's still going to go in test mode. You're just not going to be able to see what you're doing. You're going to have to basically punch the numbers and listen for beeps. You can easily upgrade to these 6160 keypads. You can get them on Amazon, eBay. There's 4 wires that change the keypad. I'll show you in a later video how to upgrade your keypad. You do not need a security professional to do it, but I would suggest you hire one. So in this case, we're in test mode. If I open a door or window, as I open the door or window, it's going to beep at me. As you're walking through the motion sensors, they will beep as you walk by the motion sensors. This does help if you have somebody with you. They can actually look at the keypad and tell which room you're in or what you're opening if you need it. But as you're walking past the motions and doors and windows, you'll hear it beep and you'll know that they're actually functioning. To get it out of test mode, you do your master code and off just like you were disarming the system.